Well. Guys, I don't want to be that asshole who is saying, told you so, but I will be. Finally. The video like 2 days ago where I told you, always hold some money for a bloodbath. Another amazing advice, guys. Always hold your money for bloodbath. By that, I mean not you don't have to stab anyone. You just need to wait when entire market just dies, like 30% deep or 40% deep. It is happening like once a year, but believe me, it's worth it when you wake up and it's plus 20% from what you bought. Because usually it shuts back and you can be part of that. And what happened yesterday? Bloodbath. Did I know something? Yeah. Probably some of you are tracking me via Instagram. There I was posting a lot of steps which I was doing yesterday. And I'm honestly in 80% up right now. Today, yes. I was buying Stellar Lumens. I was lucky that one person called me at 28 cents of Stellar Lumens. And I was able to buy it at 28.90. And guys, today is 50 cents. Of course, entire portfolio dipped really hard. But there are some steps and some thoughts that might help you to live better. For example, that Bitcoin is worth nothing right now. Some people are thinking, yeah, it's more than several years of work. But when it goes to hundreds and millions of dollars per Bitcoin, you won't be thinking like, oh yeah, that was 50K one day. But when one day it goes to $1 million or something like that, people are going to be freaking out and they will be trying to return time back. Because why? Always people were saying it's not worth to buy Bitcoin right now because it's already $10 and it used to be 1 cent. But then $100, it used to be $10. Then $1,000 is a lot. Then 10,000. Then 100,000 soon is going to be a lot. I'm not going to buy it. And then in $1 million, when it should be actually to be compared to gold and stuff like that, of course, people will start buying it, but it won't grow a lot higher. No energy drink anymore. I just spilled everything on my laptop. Sad. But yeah, since I made money yesterday, I can just buy a new one. Like. Guys, there always should be a strategy of exiting markets. And for example, if you're trading in a plus, pay something to yourself. Like I'm always saying, pay like 20% of everything that you sold if you are not going to take some more. Pay 20% to yourself. Once you paid yourself, put that on your account. Or even if you hold it on exchange, I'm tired of telling you, stop holding money on exchanges. It's like I had my money on Hotbit, it got hacked, but at least nothing was stolen. And I'm happy. But if you paid yourself and had your dollars, what you were able to do yesterday, imagine if you were going to buy some crypto with 50% discount. So several months you were waiting for some dip and now you're getting this dip and you probably invested everything in altcoins and all your money dipped. That's the bad sign. But once you paid yourself and holding on your account, you are always ready to get this thing. It's like when coronavirus happened in 2020 in March and the entire market just crashed. What you were able to do those times? I got some Tesla stocks and you know what? I just doubled those money because, okay, yeah, you see everything is crashing. Guys, always buy this thing. It's like there is no way that you won't make money. I don't know, it always worked for me. First of all, yeah, I skipped that one in 2013 when it started crashing from 1300 because I was not experienced and I was scared. Right now, I'm like praying for all those things. Yesterday, I bought for 19.5, so $19,500, and today it's 30,000. Yesterday, I bought some altcoins on Gemini because Coinbase was crashing everywhere and I wasn't able to use it. And I decided to use Gemini, which I wasn't using since 2018. And I was able to buy some coins there. And I bought all of them equally. And today it's plus 80%. Then why care? And of course it's making my day. And of course I'm going to sell some of those today probably. It's not much so it won't affect the market. But still, I will be able to pay myself and hold for another dip. What if it dips tomorrow? We don't know. We don't know about all those news that are going to happen just like yesterday. For example, it's not a ban of cryptocurrency. You cannot ban it. Guys, remember Chinese ban of cryptocurrency in 2013? What happened after? It just skyrocketed. What happened in September 2017? It just skyrocketed after. It was 5k Bitcoin, then it dipped to 3,000 just like in a matter of hours. And all my altcoins dipped like 50%. what's after? It was September 4th, as far as I remember, 2017. Then after that, October, November, and we are seeing growth. December, crazy growth. January, oh yeah, just baby sell everything. I haven't sold everything, but I've sold something. And especially in some coins, it was the top for those times. And now, it's not the top at all. And of course, it's all about positive thinking. When you are thinking positively, when you are thinking, okay, I'm waiting for a market crash, it's a psychology. Probably I'm a psycho and I'm just like completely dumb person and I was happy yesterday. Some people were losing money. I've lost some of those too, but I haven't sold anything. And it's like this famous saying, you haven't lost anything until you sold. And I haven't sold and I'm holding. And of course, Bitcoin will be $100,000 and I will be able to sell something later. I'm not going to exit markets right now because it's just a normal correction. It must have happened and I was waiting for this moment as far as you remember. Guys, I'm so emotional right now. You cannot even imagine. I'm super happy. Even subscriber gave me this, guys. Bull and bear. I know it's kind of personal stuff with bears for me, but bull, I'm super bullish, even though I'm a bear in my real life. You don't understand that, but I understand. Bears are cool. But bulls are cool in the market. And honestly, I have no idea. Someone just knocked the door and it's a Tesla. What they just sent me, I have no idea. Why they're sending me something? Because, I don't know. Why would you? That's something, that's an envelope. What's that? I just told you about Tesla. And they sent me... Ooh! Okay. When I was buying car, I overpaid. I'll take that. Perfect, they just give me some money. Guys, I probably need to go somewhere to the bank, and after that, once I get some cryptocurrency for those money, I can continue with the video. Goodbye. I'm so slow recording those videos. I just put some money and I bought Pancake, guys. There is another thing that I just discovered recently because of my friend who decided to invest in a Pancake, and what he's doing is mind-blowing. So he invested $2.5K dollars, 2500 in a Pancake, and he's farming them, and he's getting almost like 1 pancake per day right now. And when it dipped, he started getting 1.3 pancakes per day, and it's a compound stuff. So he's improving and increasing his number of pancakes, and he's going to get more and more and more pancakes. And if they won't get hacked somehow, guys, they are going to give him a lot of big money. And this is the thing. You can be a liquidity provider and you can farm those money on those exchanges. So you're just locking them and all the profits you are moving again to this thing. And liquidity provider for some shitty coin, like something new with a crazy APR like 700%. You're getting this coin and a pancake. And this couple, you're just farming and you're getting pancakes. Guys, I mean cakes. Guys, that's the stuff that I'm going to do, because Pancake will definitely go to $100. And when it goes to $100, you will be asking me, why you didn't tell me? And I'll tell you, there is a video from 20th of May, if it's 20th today, I'm not sure. Yeah, 20th. And in this video, I told you, you should be farming pancakes. But first, do your own research. Check how safe it is, because some of people sometimes losing money, and I'm guilty in that. No, I don't want to be. I'm not. So, from major news, what started this drop of cryptocurrency? Of course, Tesla is a big investor. They told that, okay, Bitcoin is kind of dangerous for our planet and we are not moving with Bitcoin for now. And okay, then Elon Musk reversed his saying and price decided to start to recover. And then what happened? China decided to buy some more cryptocurrency. This is from normal people perspective, but nobody in the news is saying that. And of course they're saying it doesn't have any value, it's dangerous, or you will lose it, and institutions shouldn't buy that. But it's not by government. It was told by some random jokers, and after that, people are thinking that it's serious. And how Reuters, whatever, those guys, right? I have problems with English. And CNN, CNBC, all that stuff are copying all those news, and it's going like a wave, and all people are reposting, retweeting it, and everyone is selling. And when you are going with a FUD, that's the worst thing. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. And some people are saying to you, okay, dude, that's it. That's the end of the cryptocurrency market. It's 2018 right now. Guys, we haven't gone top. We haven't gone to these upper levels. We just started to move. X10 is nothing for altcoins. X10 on seller network? Are you kidding me? Is it X10? It must be X10? No. Hedgehog is going a little bit up because Ethereum was going down. But still, guys, we're at the very beginning of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin did all those moves for like a beginning for the fueling market. Then goes Ethereum. Then we know Bancor is going to go and all other altcoins like Solana right now. And after that, we will see all this impact on small market caps. By small market caps, I can tell you it's even something that below $500 million. And then super small market caps like 50 millions, 10 millions. Guys, those returns are going to be crazy. And I can tell you, you should always, if you sold something in the profits, please leave some money for USD. Just leave them in this Tether stuff and hold them. Or if you want, hold it in Bitcoin. But usually Bitcoin is going up, yeah, altcoins are dying. Or this strategy, or just hold your Tether. When you're holding Tether, Bitcoin is dipping, usually altcoins are dying together with Bitcoin, and you're making really nice money. Those people who sold at the very beginning when I posted this video and who bought the bottom, right now they're at the more than 100% of profits. Of course, I'm not saying that I'm the person who knows everything. No, it was just my thought that I decided to put in the video like in the end, because I was thinking market is overheated right now and some negative news are starting to come, like Tesla. And I was thinking something bad can be happening right now. And it was actually starting. And yeah, I am lucky in this, but it's like a gut feeling. There is no fundamentals or technical analysis. By the way, it doesn't work. On the days like that, this is what I'm saying. Some people are just making all those patterns, graphs and all stuff like that. And what? So they're saying, okay, we are going to dip like 10% and then we'll go up. What about 60%, bitches? This is what I want to tell you. So you need to feel this market. And since you're getting more experienced and you're sitting on the market for longer and longer and longer, now you can make some good decisions. And now you know, okay, when it dips, you still have your money on your pocket or on your bank account, which is better. It's faster to transact to other exchanges. And then you can make short-term profits because it shuts back. Like I told you in the video at the beginning that I posted from a previous video. And I was always saying that. Please, guys, some of my advices are really good, and it's not like a financial advice. It's something that I'm sharing from my experience. I've lost millions of dollars during all the time in the cryptocurrency. Really, I've lost in all bull runs, everything, like a lot of money. And I was investing more, and of course I made some of those crazy returns. Sometimes I was losing, and if you convert my loss like hundreds of bitcoins one day, if you convert to today, please don't tell me those numbers because I don't want to think about that. And right now I'm super safe investor. I'm just like playing all those markets, waiting, holding. And some people already know how I'm doing on the market. And especially when we were dumping together Ethereum Classic in 2018 in February, when it was top $42. How solo dumped $1 billion. I mean, entire market lost $1 billion when I was selling my Ethereum Classics that I just got from fork of it from Ethereum. Easiest strategy of my life. And in the end, I want to tell you, thank you very much guys for watching my video. Thank you very much for liking it if you like it. And by the way, please like this video if you lost your money or if you got some more money and if you like my advices. And I guess this video will get a lot more likes than previous one because some of you lost money and some of you made. So it's 100% win rate for me with likes. Thank you very much. And by the way, yeah, I told you that I wasn't going to put any cryptocurrency in this video, but please take this Stellar Lumens and someone is calling me and that's my friend. And he's going to tell me something about pancakes. Wish me luck. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Love you all. And guys, I'm a liar because take those Stellar Lumens from the wallet right there and like it if you see it right there. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.